Guys, that's 8-2 though. What's up, you guys? It's Go Ducks for what you guys been up to. So right now, you guys, I feel crappy today. So that's what's going on. I feel really crappy. It's gonna be fun and exciting today, and I really don't feel like cooking, but I need some food in me. So I'm gonna try some eggs. See if that helps. Rachel's not feeling good today either, which is kind of weird that we both get sick at the same time, which is kind of weird, but it's okay. We got this, you guys. So that's what's going on. We are making robins in nests, you guys. It looks so good, you guys. Ooh, wait till it's done and I will show you guys the finished touch. There's the robins nest, you guys. It looks so good. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm cooking some sausages. I'm feeling a little bit better. I just took a little rest, but I'm still really crappy. Hopefully we can eat something. So nice outside. So I feel a little bit crappy, but that's okay. She's one of the comment, you guys. What? What? Rachel made some
chocolate milkshake.
Milkshake.
With Reese's Pieces. And
It's so good.
it better be.
Hey, Bobby.
Okay.
So that's what we are doing. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are playing trains on our new carpet. Yeah, we got a new carpet. Right?
Yeah.
So it's new to us. Kind of new. So that's what's going on. We are playing trains. Guys, so right now, you guys, we are watching Hotel Hell. So we're gonna get that ready. So that's what we are watching. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. So I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want us to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.